Hello beautiful family, welcome once more to Cooking with Efia. I hope you all are doing so well. Today we are making Ghana authentic waakye, and this waakye recipe is way better than the one you go outside and buy it. I mean the street waakye, and it is better as well. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and be part of this family. Let's get started. For my ingredients, I have in this black eye beans. This is the medium size. We have the small one, the big ones, and the medium size. So these are the black eyes medium size. I also have some perfume rice. You can use your local rice if you want. Whether being perfume rice or local rice, you are good to go. So that I have in my sorghum leaf or millet leaf. So this is really going to bring out the perfect waakye color you are looking for. So I also have some salt to taste, cooking oil, and baking soda. And the baking soda is optional, you can choose to omit it, but trust me, when you add it to the sorghum leaves when boiling it, it's really going to bring out the perfect color you are looking for. So next I'm going to wash these leaves very well because sometimes contains sand in it, so you need to wash it thoroughly in water for at least 3 times, as I'm doing right here. You have to open it very well because when you don't do this, trust me, you're going to have sand at the bottom of your pan after boiling it. So I'm going to wash this off camera, then I'll add it to my boiling water. So this is my hot water over there. I'm going to add in my sorghum leaf or my millet leaves to cook for at least 1 minute before I'll add in anything else. Next, I'll add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and this baking soda is really going to bring out the color very well. Just look at that. And if you are somebody you don't like waakye, trust me, you are mixing a lot of things. You can't miss this special waakye from Ghana. It's so healthy and very delicious as well. So I will wash my beans very well to get all the dirt out from it, and I will be washing this for at least 2 to 3 times to get all the dirt out from it very nicely, as you see. So I'll add everything to my water, add about 1 tablespoon of salt to it, bring this to a boil for at least 70% because I will add my rice to these beans to cook alongside with it, so I don't want to overcook it at all. And just see the color difference right now. So let's cook this until it's 70% done. And we are back to check on our beans, and just look at how the beans has changed in color. Just look at that. So now it's been 70% done, so I'll remove my sorghum leaves, and trust me, I'm not going to throw these sorghum leaves away. I'll keep this in my refrigerator to use for another waakye recipe anytime I want to use it. Yes, we don't want to waste money at all. Next, I will add in my cooking oil, and let me tell you something. One thing about this waakye recipe is that you don't need much oil to cook this. You can even omit the oil if you want. So I'll add in my rice, and remember I've added in a salt to it, so there's no need adding in salt. And if you think the water is not enough, you can still add in more water for easy cooking and everything. And if you see some of the sorghum leaves in it, trust me, you can remove it alongside whilst cooking it. So I'll cover this to cook for extra 10 minutes on the medium heat, and this is after 10 minutes. Just look at how the beans has settled on top of our rice beautifully. Just look at that, and the color also has really come very well. This is the perfect color I am looking for. Waakye is more like jollof rice. You cover it for at least 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame, then you open it and stir again. You don't want to leave this on fire for a long time so you don't burn it. Yes, so that's what we're going to do until everything is nice and ready. And it's been 5 minutes again, and just look at how soft it looks right now, but I still have some water in it, so I'll cover this with my plastic bag for extra 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame, then I'll stir again. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video. And to my returnees, thank you for coming back. As always, I love you guys so much. You guys are always the best. You're making me so proud. I am so grateful to have you guys. Alright, so it's been about extra 5 minutes of cooking it, and just look at how soft it looks. This is how I want my waakye. I want it very moist. You can add in less water if you really want it in single grains, but for me, this is how I want the consistency to be, and it is just perfect, like the waakye we always buy from outside. Now let me know in the comment section how you want your waakye. Do you want it soft, hard, or you really want it really soft? And this is how I really want my waakye to be. Let me know in the comment section how you want your waakye. And now we are done with this waakye. Look at how nice and yummy this looks. I will be pairing this waakye with my homemade gari. If you haven't watched that video, please, you've missed a lot. Go and watch that video because I have it on my channel. And I have this waakye stew recipe coming your way. So if you haven't turned on the post notification bell as well, please do well, so that anytime I post that video, you'll be first person to be notified. And guys, what is Ghana WAAKYE without your spaghetti, your eggs, and your vegetables? You can't miss this combination at all. This two works like magic. It's so yummy. If you like this video, subscribe and be part of this foodie family. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.